Welcome to North Park Collision Center. A car accident can be traumatic and confusing, but rest assured we will navigate through the insurance claim and the repair process together. Here at North Park Collision Center, we are trained and ready to negotiate with all the major insurance companies. Once you have filed a claim, we can take it from there and start the process. Don't want to use insurance? No problem. We will continue the process for repairs on your vehicle and stay by your side. Our manufacturer's certifications, which include Lincoln, Ford, Lexus, Subaru, Volkswagen, and Audi, assure that your vehicle will be repaired to the highest manufacturer standards. Although we are factory certified in the listed makes, we will work on any make or model brought into our collision center. Our advisors and technicians are continuously trained in the latest manufacturing procedures to ensure your vehicle is repaired to pre-accident condition. Need a rental? No problem. Once you have filed your claim and have your rental car set up, we will call our local enterprise rental car service for you and they will pick you up directly at our shop. Even better, when your vehicle is repaired and ready for pickup, you can leave your rental with us and we will coordinate with Enterprise to arrange pickup so that you can drive off in your vehicle and the rental return is one less thing to worry about. So let's get started with a brief summary of what to expect with the repair process. Step 1, your insurance carrier must inspect your vehicle and approve your claim in order for us to begin our work here at the Collision Center. Once that is taken care of, we will begin to road map your vehicle. We will identify any accident-related damage as well as unrelated damage. If you would like any of the unrelated damage repaired, we will provide an estimate during the initial visit and take care of the repairs at the same time as your insurance claim repairs. Next, we will scan and disassemble your vehicle to expose any hidden damage. These specific scans go through all the vehicle's onboard safety systems and will indicate any possible faults. Your safety on the road is our top priority. We are now ready to start the dialogue with your insurance company concerning the cost of parts and repairs. After we receive an approval, we will order parts for your vehicle. Ordering parts is based on the insurance company policy and availability. Please note that some parts can be subject to shipping delays. Once the new parts arrive, we are ready to begin repairs. Considering the complexity of today's vehicles, we will work diligently to make sure that repairs, small and large, are done correctly and to a high quality standard. Good work can take a little time. There are multiple phases of the repair process such as frame machine repairs, mechanical repairs, body repairs, paint, and calibrations. At times, our skilled technicians may find additional damage, which can lead to a subsequent round of parts ordering and the requisite insurance approvals. Nevertheless, our exceptional advisors will be updating you along the process, all the way to the finish line. Once the physical repairs are completed, the next step in the process is to calibrate and freshen up your vehicle. The calibration process is very important for your driver assist aids and sensors to work properly after repairs. We want to make sure all your safety and convenience features are operating properly before you get back out on the road. Our proprietary quality control process will include a test drive and inspection of all affected areas of the vehicle. Lastly, we will thoroughly clean your vehicle, giving you the satisfaction of picking up a vehicle that is clean, shiny, and ready to enjoy. As we approach this final step, your advisor will remain in contact with your insurance carrier, providing necessary invoices and repair documents needed to secure payment for your repairs. As soon as payment has been approved, your vehicle will be ready to go home with you. Every repair by North Park Collision Center comes with a lifetime warranty on any paint or body work that we've completed for as long as you own the vehicle. Parts that were replaced are warranted from the specific parts provider for up to a year. We want to ensure that you have the best experience here at North Park Collision Center. We are a team dedicated to great relationships and long-term client satisfaction. Thank you for allowing us to serve you.